Yo, what's up everyone, Project Motor here. So obviously we've done the build video on our Panigale V4 for the track. We've done the Donington video, so now we're at Brands Hatch today. I've got to say it's freezing cold, but the weather does look like it's going to stay dry today. See a kind of little bit of blue sky. But yeah, so let's have a little look around the pits and see what's going on, and then we'll do some laps on track. And yeah, let's have a good day. Right, so this time it's Brands Hatch. Welcome. They're saying welcome, they don't know who we are yet. Well, no, the bumper cars ain't on.
Oh man. It just makes me want to go down Panigale now, doesn't it, you? In the van. Flat out. You can tell Alex from miles away because he's got little legs and he's massive. He's like Johnny Bravo, isn't he?
Is that Sean's van? Oh no.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, it is.
Hey, good morning.
Oh, not you again.
Good morning. See you.
Si?
Alright, mate.
Well, you've been on Red Bull all night.
Hey, look, everyone's here.
How long you been here, Si?
6.
6?
You know. Yeah, 6.
Oh yes. How was it? How was your bike, Si?
Good. Rotten, look.
Ah, wicked. Yo.
You're right.
Everyone turned up fucking exactly the same time.
Yeah,
Suppose we all weren't driving along together. They ain't glad they're advantage of the V4 today.
No, you just better hope I fly off.
Yeah, see?
What's that?
Right, so down at Brands Hatch, obviously you've got to have noise tests down at Brands Hatch, which you don't have at Donington Park. So everyone's having their bikes tested.
You can't hit the limit, it won't look, watch this, it's limited.
Yeah, when
He's
it's
like
not in gear or nothing.
Yeah, he's like
I
revving to
noticed that
5.
the other day.
Look.
Yeah, I noticed that the other day. You can't rev it.
Good though, get through sound test.
Right, so in the garage again today, we've got the V4R, we've got our bike, just looks so cool. We bought the Monster today as well, so we're going to have a go at that round there. We've got a friend with his Street Fighter, we've got Steve's 749 in here. Let's just show you a few of the other bikes here today. Simon and Matt have got a little bit of rivalry, so we're going to do a little head-to-head video now to see which one done the quickest lap and who's got the bragging rights. I ain't got no cameras on the Monster, but Steve's got video of you on the Monster. Right. You alright there going around with Panigale, 1299s and that?
What a good news work, I was enjoying it a bit too much, I thought I'd better slow down. So this was flat out in top gear down the straight. Flat out, it wouldn't go anywhere.
And what was it doing flat out? Do you know?
130 something. Oh mate, what a little bike. Again, I was just getting a little bit quicker, and I was getting a little bit squidger for my stop. What a bike though.
Well, so the Monster gets approval. Well, at least you know what it's like now on track.
Oh, what a bike! Like, that is the perfect bike. The only thing you get a bit of a speed wobble when you're flat out in top gear. You hit there, you're going from 5th to 6th.
Yeah, but when you think that Monster, an unfair bike.
I literally just let the tyres down. That is it. That is what a road bike should be.
Matt's obviously took the Monster out, as you can see. It does well. He loved it, mate. Proper loved it out there on there. He's racing around with 1299 Panigales and things on it. I told you it's an awesome bike. Well, so that was the Ducati track day at Brands Hatch 2021. Another awesome day. That is the Brands Hatch Indy circuit. I mean, obviously we had our Panigale V4. Matt was rode the Monster around. He just thought it was brilliant. He did say he was hitting the rev limiter in the top gear down the straight, so you probably wouldn't want it somewhere else, but he's enjoyed it so much around here. But yeah, good day. As always guys, thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. If this is the kind of thing you're into, all things bikes, then maybe think about hitting that subscribe button, and I'll see you again soon. Thanks very much for watching. So
you don't want a coffee? You don't want a coffee?
I might want a drink, as long as we can have it without swearing involved.
Of course.
Yeah. I might have a cold drink. I might have an ice cream.
Oh, good choice. Who wants a Magnum?
What do you think of that?
I think you should have an ice cream.
Oi, why don't you take
This is my actual size.
Take your shoes off and put them on the bottom of your knees. Look at him.
You fucker.